Do you have calluses on your feet? Dry and damaged skin? Introducing Gel Socks, the blissful way to super soft feet. Gel Socks are a revolutionary new product that not only feel fantastic, but also actively work to moisturize and condition dry, dehydrated skin. The secret is in the renowned gel lining, which continuously delivers a skin-nourishing infusion of jojoba oil, olive oil, vitamin E, and lavender oil, revitalizing and replenishing your skin with fast-acting, remarkable results. You will love the results. Smooth, soft, supple, and younger-looking skin. Gel